Hello everyone, in this video we'll be learning about your long division method, how to divide one of the polynomial by another polynomial, and you even have to write down the quotient and the remainder. As I have taken two numbers from your textbook, let us go through the first one. 6x cubed minus x squared minus 10x minus 3. You have to divide this polynomial by this polynomial. Now let's see how to divide. So you write down your dividend first. This is called your dividend. This is called your dividend. And this is called your divisor. So you have to divide, okay? You have to divide and you have to write down the remainder and the quotient. So let us try to divide. So solution you take for the first one. You have to divide 6x cubed. 6x cubed minus x squared minus 10x minus 3. You have to divide this expression, or you can tell this one to be a polynomial. This expression is a polynomial. By how much? 2x minus 3. You have to divide. Now see how to divide. Look at the degree here. What is the highest degree? 3. And here the degree is 1. So somehow I should be able to get 6x cubed. So how much should I multiply? 2x into how much should I do so that I will get 6x cubed? So how much should I multiply here? I have to multiply 3x squared. So when I multiply 3x squared into 2x, you got 6x cubed. So you take here how much? 3x squared. Now you multiply 2x into 3x squared. So it will become 6x cubed. I hope so. You are already with that. Then minus 3 into 3x squared. So it will become how much? 9x squared. Now you do subtraction. I hope so. This is alright for you. The first line, I am multiplying this into this. The only thing you have to keep in your mind is that you have to get 6x cubed. Okay? So now you do subtraction, change of sign. This will become minus, this will become plus. 6x cubed minus 6x cubed. You can cancel it out. Okay? 6x cubed minus 6x cubed, you can cancel it out. Now how to do this part? Minus x squared plus 9x squared. You have to consider this side, not this. So minus x squared plus 9x squared. So it will become 8x squared minus 10x minus 3. You got the switch. Now, what is the next part? The next part will be what? I have to get 8x squared. As you can see, the degree here is 1, degree here is 2. You can still divide, okay? So how to get your 8x squared? So you do plus 4 times, because 4 2s are 8, 4 2s are 8. Then x into x will become x squared. So you do 4x. So 4x into 2x will become how much? 8x squared. Then minus 3 into 4, minus 12x. Again you do subtraction, minus, this will cancel out, okay? Then here it is minus means you have to make it as plus. Here nothing is there means plus is there, okay? So you have to write it down minus. So here minus is there means you have to make it plus. Now again you do the subtraction, 10x minus 10x plus 12x. So it will become how much? 2x minus 3. It will become 2x minus 3. Now you do it. Now how many times? See, look at the degree. Degree here is 1, okay? Degree of x is 1. Degree of x is 1. You can still divide, okay? So you divide it plus 1 time you take, 1 time you do. So 2x minus 3 into 1. So it will become 2x minus 3. And your remainder is 0. So you can write it down. Therefore, what is the quotient you got? Your quotient. What is the quotient you are getting? Your quotient is what? 3x squared plus 4x plus 1. This is your quotient. And what is your remainder you got? Your remainder is how much? Remainder is equal to 0. And one more thing you please note down is that Suppose if they give here, suppose they might have given you a square, then you cannot divide, okay? This one you cannot divide because the degree out here is 1 and the degree here is 2. When the degree of the divisor is greater than the degree of the remainder, you cannot divide. You have to stop there. But in this case, the degree here is same, you can divide. Okay, till the time the degree becomes same, you can keep on dividing. But when the degree of this is greater than the degree of this, then you have to stop. Okay. Now let us see one more number from your textbook. So let us try the second number. Second number they have given 2x cubed. It's given 2x cubed plus 7x squared. 7x squared minus 4x plus 7. You have to divide this expression by how much? You have to divide it by, x squared plus 2x minus 1. You have to divide by this. So let us see how to do it. Now see, if you can look here, I have to get x cube, okay? I have to get my x cube. And here x squared is given, so you do x times, and moreover you have to get 2, so you do 2x times 2x into x squared, so it will become 2x cubed, okay? 2x cubed, then 2x into 2x, so it will become 4x squared, then minus 1 into 2x, it will become minus 2x. You do subtraction, so change of sign, minus, it will cancel, this will become minus and this will become plus. So 7x squared minus 4x squared, it will become your 3x squared. Then minus 4x plus 2x, so it will become minus 2x plus 7. I hope so, you are alright with this. Again, look at the degree. Degree is same. 2 here, 2 here. The degree is same. You can still divide, okay? So you divide it one more time. Plus, how much you will give? So x squared, the degree is same, no problem. I have to get 3, so plus 3 times you do. Please do it plus 3 times, okay? So you do it 3 times, x squared into 3, so it will become 3x squared. Then 2x into 3, 2 3s are 6, plus 6x. Then minus 1 into 3, it will become minus 3. Again you do subtraction, minus, it will cancel. This will become minus and this will become plus. So minus 2 minus 6. So it will become minus 8x. Then 7 plus 3 will become 10. Now look at the degree. Degree here, degree of the remainder is 1. Okay? Degree of the remainder is 1. And what about the degree of the divisor? Degree of the divisor is 2. So you cannot divide further. Okay? So you have to stop here. Then you write it down. Therefore, what is the quotient? You write down your quotient. Your quotient is how much? It is 2x plus 3. 2x plus 3. And what is your remainder? And your remainder is how much? Your remainder is equal to how much? Minus 8x plus 10. Minus 8x plus 10. I hope so you are okay with this. So this is called your long division method. Okay, it is also called your long division method, and sometimes these simply write divide. Okay, divide the polynomial they say. They will not ask you, you use your long division method. But the name for this method is what? Long division method. This is one of the very important method. Okay, this is from your class 8. I have taken the problem. This type of problems are there in your class 9 also, and even for your higher studies like class 11, class 12, or or it is here in your class 10 also. Okay, so you have to be very clear with this type of method how to solve. Okay, how to divide, how to write down the quotient, how to write down the remainder. Okay, so with this I will conclude my video here and will meet in the next video. Thank you so much.